I'm trying to start my car, turning on the ignition, and yeah, it won't start. So I took out the key, put the key back in, start the ignition, pressing on the gas like so many times. Still not starting, but it will start. I just have to keep on pressing on the gas and doing the ignition. Doing it again. Also stepping on the gas too. So it's about 3 minutes me trying to start this car. But it will start. And today's weather is about 39 degrees here in Vegas. Early morning. It's like 9 o'clock already. around 5 minutes. Me trying to start this, and it still doesn't want to start. There you go. Now it's working. Ta-da! And yeah, my car is 2005 Toyota Sienna. And yeah, I have a high mileage right there. Yep. I need to get this fixed, but I need to save money and I can take it to the shop. So I have to deal with this every day. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.